Hey, Daniel. So let me show you how I would do this one. And I'm glad you asked because you're going to have one of these on the exam. So this is perfect for you. And if you still have questions, make sure that we cover it again tomorrow during class, since that's going to be your review time as well. All right. So this is f of x. F of x is this function. All right. We're going to take f of x plus h. And all that means is take this function and everywhere there's an x, right here and right here, you're going to plug in x plus h. All right, so we're going to do that first. I'm going to do f of x plus h. So that's just 4. And then everywhere there's an x, I'm going to plug in x plus h. Okay, there's that part. So that takes care of this piece. Now I've got to subtract the original function, f of x. And the original function is 4x squared plus 5x. You have to put it in parentheses because, gosh darn it, I know everyone tries to skip steps, but you're going to forget to distribute it. And then this whole thing is divided by h. This whole thing is divided by h. All right, I'm going to start off at one piece at a time. So this is going to be, 4 and then x plus h times x plus h. That takes care of this. Plus 5. Oh, this one, we can go ahead and distribute it. 5x plus 5h. Take this negative, distribute it. Comes negative 4x squared minus 5x. And all of this is over h. So I'm just going to do one big old, just to save myself some space. I need to multiply the binomial together before I do the 4. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. So 4 times. Now, I'm not sure how strong you're on your binomial multiplication, but we've got to go. I'm just going to go first, outer, inner, and last. I'm going to FOIL. So first are the first 2 terms of the parenthesis, x times x, which is x squared. O is the outer 2 of the parentheses, so x and h, so plus xh. I is the inner 2 of the parentheses, so h and x, so xh again. Don't know why I put them out of order. And then last is L, and that's the last 2 terms in the binomials, and that's just h. Oh my gosh, times h. I really like math. I didn't think I was this bored. All right, so that takes care of everything up to here. I can go ahead and reduce these if I want to. I see 5x and 5x will reduce. I typically write everything down to the end and then reduce it. But honestly, we can math this right now. There's no reason not to. Let's just bring down the 5h minus 4x squared, and all of this is over h. All right. If you want to keep these, bring them down, that's fine too. Next, I'm going to combine like terms inside this parenthesis. So x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And then I'm just going to bring everything else along with it. By h. Now I'm going to distribute my 4 over this trinomial. So 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times 2xh is 4 times 2 is 8xh. 4 times h squared is 4h squared. Bring down everything else. And all of this is over h. All right. I can 4x squared and 4x squared are canceling, and that leaves me with 8xh plus 4h squared plus 5h, and all of this is over h. Now, the thing that messes people up on this piece, besides yawning, oh my goodness, besides yawning, is I like to take each one of these and put them over h. I find that students make fewer mistakes if you do that. So 8xh over h plus 4h squared over h plus 5h over h, okay? These 2 h's reduce, and it leaves with us 8x. These reduce and give us just 1 h in the numerator, so plus 4h. And then these 2 reduce, and we're left with just 5. That is the difference quotient. If you have any questions about any piece of what I just did, please let me know so I can help you through it. And I apologize for the yawning. Oh my God. I've only had like 3 hours of sleep. Stupid YouTube videos. All right. See you tomorrow. Let me know if you have any more questions.